welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Erin Alexi and we're back with another video. Anyways, we have been MIA, but I think it's safe to say that we are back. Why am I looking in the mirror on the floor? I don't know why, but it's safe to say that we're back. Wink wink. I was pre-recording clips before, but I think I'm just gonna I deleted those clips and we're starting fresh. Because I hate old vlogs that's not in current time. So we're back in current time. Life has been lifing. We are here and we're surviving. We just hosted a Mother's Day brunch last Sunday. Oh my gosh. That was quick. The week finished off quick, guys. We just hosted a Mother's Day brunch last Sunday. If I have any clips, I will insert them here.
So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there.
Today is Sunday, 7:37. We should be going to church. And we didn't really celebrate our Mother's Day last week Sunday, so we're hoping to do it this Sunday. I'm still supposed to get mommy a gift. Haven't done that yet. My face was so pretty. 1 week ago, I burned up in the sun. After the sun, I did my makeup and for the Mother's Day brunch, and like the next day when I woke up, I don't know if it's something that I ate or something that I put on, which shouldn't be something that I put on because I stick to my regular makeup routine. So I feel like it's something that I ate. I woke up with all of my face rashed up. So we're trying to recover from that, in which it should be going away now. I'm trying not to use anything on it, but we all know that when a rash is going away, it dries out your face a lot. So I'm using Vaseline. So hopefully it bounced back real quick, because the girl was on a mini little roll. Like the dark spots wasn't dark spotting. And now it pushes back. But here, anyways, Memorial Weekend is next week. Yeah, Memorial Weekend is next weekend. We should have a little vlog for that, so clock it. We're going to be starting out with weekly vlogs. And I promise I'm not bust on the ears, but I was just trying to give you guys an update. Also, I'm trying to recover from the flu. Where did I get the flu from? I have no idea. Well, I do know. I got it from KZN. But we're trying to recover from the flu. So I have a terrible cough. So if you guys hear me coughing in the video, ignore it. I'm about to cook breakfast. I want to do fried dumpling. I was thinking of doing fried dumpling and cabbage and saltfish, but I don't know if I have any saltfish, so I might just do cabbage and callaloo. Right? But I don't know which callaloo I think I was gonna do, but there's no callaloo in there. I thought we had one. So if I do find the saltfish, then we can do cabbage.
I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You believe
Hey guys, the one time I cook on camera, my fried dumpling them burn up. It's not even funny. Like they don't burn like black burn, but they burn. And my fried dumpling them never yet burn. If anybody know me, they know me the done in a fried dumpling. Why are they burnt? I don't know. This come like when you're cooking for people on Sunday and you know so them a come over the food burn up or the rice, plaka plaka. But when they now come, you cook the best food. Shame. Shame kill me. Guys, so I just done cooking. I don't know if I'm showing you guys that. That is not my work. And I refuse to show it. But I don't think we're going to church. Mommy accidentally pushed Q-tip down in her ear. And I heard this hurting. I would normally go by myself if they're not going. But being that we haven't went in so long, I'm kind of scared. I got to give a glimpse of the breakfast, but don't judge. Because it don't normally look like that, as I said. Guys, this is the food. As I said, the dumpling is looking ugly. This is plantain, but we plant them extremely right. So, hence the reason. I guess it's not looking that bad on camera. It's the next day. When I must start at the bonnet. Oh my gosh. Per. I need to do my hair. I can't find a hairstyle to do for this weekend. And I need to find one badly. My eyelash need for them. I look mash up. Mash up. So it is the next day. And we're currently trying to piece together some outfits. So this is the pack and prep with me for, yeah, this is the pack and prep with me for our Miami trip. Make some noise, y'all. What it is. Okay guys, so far I have a backup pink. Hold on, I'm gonna look sharp. On my package, and this should be the quote-unquote outfit. Finally, we can say it looks like I'm going somewhere, because before I was looking like Big Back Rosalie. But now we can finally say we're going somewhere. The hair is done. Cutesy one in about two, huh? The lashes is done. Because I feel like I cut out the clips that I was showing before. But the hair is done, the lashes is done. Nails were done already. Toes are done already. My eyebrows are shaved too. Why am I always up on live, bro? We're gonna go pack and do a little pack with me. Real. Okay guys, so you guys just see me starting out the outfits that I'm planning on bringing. I am getting ready to go pack them in the suitcase. I don't think it's gonna hold, but you have to hold. You have to work. We don't have a choice. We're on a choice. Anyways, I might bring two bags. That wasn't the plan, but I might just take this bag and this pulley. So yeah, I'm gonna get to folding. Get ready. All the get ready with meals are gonna be posted on my TikTok, so remember to check them out. Okay. I don't know why I like keeping if I'm being honest, I like keeping most of my clothes in the plastic that it comes with. You know, like when you order the clothes and you get the Fashion Over, you get to think like the Fashion Over bag or whatever. I like to keep it in there, but I already threw that away. I need to go downstairs and grab my sandals, and I need to clean off one. But we might do that after. So I'm just gonna go do this real quick. Okay, guys, so I just unpacking up this suitcase, my equipment bag at this point. This is the purse I'm bringing down. This is the outfit I'm wearing down. My slippers is in here. My makeup is here. So I'm going to be putting these in that black bag. What else? My hair bonnet is over there. And I am currently I'm gonna be doing my edges real quick. Here. So I'm gonna be doing my edges real quick. Then we are gonna finish packing up the bags, do my edges, go downstairs, grab something to eat, tie up my hair, take a shower, and then sleep and get ready to leave out for tomorrow, basically. Right? Why this so tight, bro? I need to take. I would probably just need to take this off. Because I'm really not even committed to go and make. I don't want to extend it. I don't have the time. Look, I marked my hand. And it was still when it first went on. Problem I put on with. So, edges. Then we're going to be closing out this vlog. Cutesy. Anyways. I don't know, like when I'm on a birthday and I get like a birthday glow. That is what it's giving compared to how this vlog started. The vlog, ooh, blind bat. Compared to how this vlog started, at least we end the vlog looking good. And then come back for part 2. So this was our weekly vlog where we prepped and did our little pack with me. We finished packing. I'm hoping I don't leave anything. Toothbrush. You take a rug, underwear, everything. No toothbrush. Don't let me leave it. Quick curl. Hold on, guys. Remember, some are blind and cannot see. I already get where today, no, man. They run up business right now. Guys, I literally have no sideburns. It is so sad. Why not laugh on some little edges? We're making hay while the sun shines. Let me put this where I can find it when it's time to go back to work. We need charger, but I feel like Mama probably bring charger, so I'm not taking up any. Let me see if I can fit you guys. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, and come back for part 2 when the vacation begins. We'll be dropping vlogs every Sunday back to back. So tell your mother, tell your father, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your aunt, tell your cousin. Tell everybody to subscribe to the channel because we are back. Bye.